Hi guys, today's opportunities are Tech Mahindra, Cognizant and Cubexo. These three companies are conducting walk-in drive for freshers. It's a freshers hiring and they are hiring for various roles, Python developer, ReactJS developer, HR intern and process executive, and which is IT and non-IT jobs. If you are interested for IT or non-IT, please definitely have to watch this video. If you found this video worthwhile, please do subscribe for more videos. So let's see the more details and continue to watch it. So guys, first opportunity that is Cubexo. It is connecting walk-in drive. They are hiring for various roles like Python developer, ReactJS developer, and HR intern. Python developer experience like 0 to 2 years, and ReactJS developer 0 to 2 years, and HR intern. And the date of walk-in is 1st June 2024, and the time is between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. And they also mentioned address second floor MR Business Park, Rani Bagh, Main, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And also they mention the email id and contact number here. You can find it here. They mentioned, and if you are interested you can walk in. You can also contact via mail or number. Thank you. Let's see the remaining two opportunities also. And second opportunity is that is Cognizant, which is MNC company. It is conducting walk-in drive for process executive, which is voice role, and they are conducting walk-in on 7th June from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. They also, if you want to contact, you can contact Sweta or Kesava, and also address plot number 2426 Financial District, Nanakramguda Village, Manikonda, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, Telangana. They are looking for candidates, graduates in any discipline, and experience 0 years. So it's a French. They are hiring for freshers, and 20 openings is a very good number. Location is Hyderabad, and LPA, 2 LPA, and languages known Hindi, English, and must have skills BPO voice. Good to have international call center captive unit semi voice KPO. These are the requirements and the job description and everything they have given here. Excellent communication skills, English and Hindi reading and speaking. If you have related skills or the requirements, you can walk in directly on 7th June from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So let's see the another opportunity. So the other opportunity guys, that is Tech Mahindra. It is updated in LinkedIn. So I have noticed just a few hours ago. They are conducting walk-in drive for freshers. Location is Pune and the role is talent acquisition or HR recruiter. Qualifications MBA in HR business administration or related field, and a strong interest in recruitment and talent acquisition, and excellent communication and interpersonal skills, ability to manage multiple tasks in a fast-paced environment, and a strong organizational skills and attention to detail. And contract details type 6 months. It's a 6 months contract, and benefits health insurance and PF etc. as per policy, and also have a transportation both way. And the date of walk-in is 1st June 2024. Venue is Tech Mahindra Ltd, Hanjawadi, phase 3, plot 1, block 1, ground floor, and the time is 11:30 a.m. to walk in 1 p.m. Not referring business requirement, only immediate joiner to be considered for the role. So this is the requirement. It's a HR recruiter or a talent acquisition role. If you are interested, you can walk in on June 1st. Thank you.